Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you 30 short English sentences for daily use. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिए। पहला सेंटेंस है हमारा What is happening here? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? I didn't understand. मैं समझा नहीं। I didn't understand. Where is your office? आपका दफ्तर कहाँ है? Where is your office? What are you talking about? तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? Get out of my sight. मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Could you stay away from my stuff? क्या तुम मेरी चीज़ों से दूर रह सकते हो? Could you stay away from my stuff? How old are you? तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? He doesn't like tea. उसे चाय पसंद नहीं। He doesn't like tea. What do you want from me? तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? What do you want from me? Did you get my point? क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ गए हो? Did you get my point? I don't need your explanations. मुझे तुम्हारी वजाहत की ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need your explanations. Your expectations are too high. आपकी तवक्कुआत बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। Your expectations are too high. Can I ask you something? क्या मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ सकती हूँ? Can I ask you something? They both like each other. वो दोनों एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं। They both like each other. What is your problem? तुम्हारा मसला क्या है? What is your problem? You should be ashamed of yourself. तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए। You should be ashamed of yourself. I will talk to you later. मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करूंगी। I will talk to you later. I will try my best. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा। I will try my best. You are responsible for her attitude. आप उसके रवैये के जिम्मेदार हैं। You are responsible for her attitude. You should have told me. आपको मुझे बताना चाहिए था। You should have told me. I have told you many times. मैं आपको कई बार बता चुकी हूँ। I have told you many times. What is going on? क्या हो रहा है? What is going on? I would die without you. मैं तुम्हारे बगैर मर जाऊंगी। I would die without you. This is not a joke. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है। This is not a joke. Why don't you understand? तुम समझते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you understand? Try to understand. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. How do you know? आप कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know? Have you gone mad? क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो? Have you gone mad? I am sorry for being late. देर से आने के लिए मैं माजरत चाहती हूँ। I am sorry for being late. So that's it for today. If you like this video and found this video helpful, then click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.